At Beth Marie's old-fashioned ice cream parlor, there is a new worker, Julia. This is Julia's first job, but why did she decide to work at Beth Marie's?
Me and my friends would always come here around the end of high school just to take pictures because it's a pretty fun environment and they're doing a lot to modernize things and make it a really good town for families to come to, and they're putting a lot of effort into having things down square, concerts and movie nights and stuff like that. So I think that's cool.
Beth Marie's ice cream drives customers, like Michael, back in for more whenever they're within the area.
I just came out here for a business meeting, and anytime I'm in this part of Dallas, I come to Beth Marie's because it's the best ice cream. You can taste in the ice cream that it's real, I don't know if it's homemade, made in-house, but it's not made from a factory or anything like that.
The regular customers come in for their favorites, but for newcomers, Julia knows what she would recommend.
A scoop of ice cream on a waffle cone because we make all of our waffle cones here on that iron, so you can guarantee that they're pretty fresh. They're not from some factory, so that's what I would recommend.
For Jake Nichols and Troy Gonzalez, this has been Elizabeth Thomas reporting for Gloria Shields Workshop.